What's up everybody, I'm back with another video of how I took this trade on ICT trading strategy. So you can see in this screenshot I shared this trade yesterday in my Discord premium, and in this video I will explain why I took that trade. So yesterday you saw Bitcoin came down and suddenly it went up. So if you are a newbie you would say it's a scam pump, but in this video I will show you the technical reason of why it pumped. So we will shift to 1 minute time frame. You can see Bitcoin made swing lows equal lows, okay, and then here it took these lows, okay, or these lows were swept. And interestingly, if you zoom in, you can see an order block structure here. See, these candles closed below the support level, and then the next candle closed above it. So this is the order block structure, like one candle closes below the support and the next candle closes above it. So we got that structure, and then when it came down we longed here, and you can see the result. It's still pumping. Let me show you. You can see it's still pumping. So we took this trade on ICT order block trading strategy. I have already made a video about it, but if you want me to make another video, let me know in the comments, and make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys.